Bitcoin's price is pumping towards the upside, just very close to reach 100k level. And why the pump is happening, everything insider and not insider, but things that only 1% people know and not many people know and no one is talking about. I will discuss each and everything in today's video, plus my analysis for this week as well. So let's get straight to the point. Here I am on the Bitcoin's weekly time frame chart, and first of all, I think I don't need this Fibonacci tool at all, because the price of Bitcoin is already manipulated, and I don't think there is need of these levels right now, because the price of Bitcoin is already manipulated a lot and there is just no point. And I will discuss everything like why. And so let me just remove it from here. Alright, so first of all, I'm on the weekly time frame chart and each candle represents 1 week. Look closely, this was the week of US election where Donald Trump won the election, and it was bullish for crypto. You can clearly see a huge pump. And then look at this candle right here. There is no point that the candle can move from $80,000 all the way up till $93,000 in the same week. And it literally went from 80k to 90k in just one day. And you can clearly see volume was also very high. Why? Because the price of Bitcoin is getting manipulated because of MicroStrategy. It is a company, and it is a listed company. That means its stock is tradable, and the owner of that company or the founder is Michael Saylor. So basically he's running kind of a Ponzi scheme where he sells his shares, buys Bitcoin, and the price of Bitcoin goes up because he buys more and more Bitcoin. And when the price of Bitcoin pumps, his stock price also pumps, and then he does the same again, sells his shares, and rinse and repeat. Many people are lending him money, but it is a very, I would say, bad decision, because this will end up very bad for sure. Only one, it is just a time, because more and more people, as they buy Bitcoin, as more and more people come into the crypto space, it is getting worse for Bitcoin and the overall crypto space right here. And it is kind of a bubble, I'm sad to say, but yes, Bitcoin is acting as a bubble, and it is kind of a scam to me right now. Why I'm saying that Bitcoin is a scam? Let me explain you very easily. Bitcoin was made for P2P transactions according to the white paper, right? But we did not, I would say, upgraded the Bitcoin ecosystem. We did not improve Bitcoin's blockchain, and rather than using Bitcoin as P2P, we started buying Bitcoin. And right now you can clearly see price of Bitcoin is at $98,000. It is of no value. It is just on belief. It is of thin air. Many people say Bitcoin is just internet money and out of thin air. Yes, it is true, because the real use case of Bitcoin, that everyone says that it is decentralized, it is P2P, this and that, but no one is using that. Let me give you an example now. Listen carefully. In India, everyone uses UPI, Unified Payment Interface. Every second 5,000 transactions are happening on UPI, every single second on an average. And Bitcoin's blockchain cannot handle even 1,000 transactions. If Bitcoin's blockchain, if for 1 second also we do 5,000 transactions on Bitcoin's blockchain, it will take 2 to 3 years for the blockchain just to clear the backlogs. And first of all, let me assure you that this scenario is very common, and I'm not making this scenario up. You can just go to Google and get some knowledge about Bitcoin's blockchain. And this is the scenario when every single person will transfer equal amount. I'm not taking the amount that one person will transfer a huge amount and etc., because if I do that, then the queue will take much more than 2 to 3 years. Not only this, but one huge crash in crypto can result in a blast of a bubble. Why I am saying this? Because see, if there is a, wait a second, If there is a crash in crypto, everyone will panic sell, everyone will go to their exchanges and will decide to sell Bitcoin's blockchain cannot handle so many sell transactions because no one will buy. And guess what, the same scenario will happen where all the transactions will get queue up and it will take forever for the Bitcoin's blockchain to clear their logs. Not only this, but big companies and big I would say whales that are willing to pay high fees will result in their transactions to end up successfully only. Rest 99% people will get stuck, their Bitcoin will get stuck. And if Bitcoin, and when we, you already know, when we see a huge dump or pump in the Bitcoin's price, every single crypto does the same as well. So one huge dump towards the downside will result in a huge crypto bubble to burst, and every single altcoin crypto will be dumped towards the downside very heavily. Well, let me tell you, the technology of blockchain is very nice and it has the future, for sure it has the future. And but Bitcoin right now, I mean, I just lost hope on Bitcoin because we are not improving the Bitcoin's ecosystem. We are only just buying Bitcoin out of thin air and its price is pumping like so easily. USDT is getting printed a lot. Tether, who is an unaudited company, is printing billions of dollars, or I say billions of tokens every single week. No one is talking about that, and that fake money is going into Bitcoin and the price is getting pumped a lot. It is very easy to manipulate a crypto with only 21 million in supply. It is very easy. Sam Bankman-Fried also, I hope you remember who he is. His company FTX got bankrupt. So there was one statement from Sam Bankman-Fried where it was leaked that he was using his customers' fund to keep the price of Bitcoin below $20,000. So you see how easy it is to manipulate a price and dump it and pump it accordingly. No one will ask you anything because obviously it is decentralized. And yeah, that's why I hope you now understand each and everything. And not only this, but you can clearly see right here, Tether minted 1 billion USDT coin again. No one is stopping them. They are literally creating their own coins out of thin air, and that fake money is going into Bitcoin, which has now become fake money because we are not supporting the Bitcoin ecosystem, because we are not supporting the true motive of Bitcoin. And yeah, whenever Tether prints, the price of Bitcoin pumps. And you know the best part, 99% of the people know that whenever Tether mints, the price of Bitcoin pumps, but no one thinks why. Critical thinking is zero in most of the people. It is so easy to manipulate people as well. It is so easy to make fool of people, especially crypto people out there. I mean, it's just ridiculous. I mean, people take Michael Saylor as a king, as a god who is saving Bitcoin, but no one knows the reality. Also, I highly recommend go and check out this Twitter page right here, Justin Bonds. He has explained very well that why the Bitcoin's blockchain has failed in the past couple of years, and the next coming years will be very massacre for Bitcoin and the overall crypto. So do check his Twitter as well. Coming back to the charts, and I hope you understand my explanation. So first of all, I mean, there is nothing much to say about Bitcoin right now. I can't enter in a long position or a short position right now because price is in nowhere. I mean, it is all-time high of Bitcoin and there are no previous levels, so I can't predict the price accurately. And right now, trusting Fibonacci levels is also very scary for me, because you can clearly see how price of Bitcoin is breaking every Fibonacci level so easily, and obviously it is getting manipulated. That's why right now I'm away from the markets. I will not go short or long over here because it is very risky. Let's see if I see any good pattern or any good conviction play, then I will inform you guys. But for now I'm just waiting. Let's see what happens. And I hope the people realize this. And you know what, one more thing, the thing that I just said, the explanation of why Bitcoin blockchain is lacking a lot. If people get to know this information, then literally the next day will be a huge dump in the price of Bitcoin. Everyone will panic sell, but no one knows because it is all just moving in belief. Everyone is happy because yeah, price of Bitcoin is pumping. If you have bought XYZ amount of Bitcoin at this year, then it will be worth this much now. But why it is worth this much? It is not worth. Real price of Bitcoin is way less than 100k, maybe only $10,000, 15, but it is all manipulated right now. Liquidity is just getting injected. Only belief right now, thin air. Also about the 21 million supply, I'm pretty sure in future the supply from 21 million will get increased, and if that happens, Bitcoin will become inflationary, and people that are buying Bitcoin because of getting rid of dollar, because dollar is getting printed, the same thing will happen with Bitcoin as well. Not only this, but if the US government decides to buy Bitcoin to protect their dollar, then what's the point of people buying Bitcoin? Have you ever thought? There is no point, because indirectly or directly they are putting their money in an asset that will inflate, and there is no point. So I hope you all understand. I will make a detailed video about it, and with some slides, you know, and with some good in-depth analysis. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you like this type of analysis, the real eye-opening analysis that not many people know. So currently this is it for Bitcoin right now and overall crypto. Because also one more thing that I noticed, that Bitcoin's price is pumping in a straight line, getting manipulated, and Solana's price is also pumping in a straight line, but other than these two, none of the crypto is pumping. Every other altcoin is just struggling, and one or two altcoins are only pumping, and Ton coin is also not pumping. I'm very I would say surprised by that, because Ton has infinite supply. No one knows how much there are Ton coins right now, and just after the arrest of Pavel Duro, the coin has started to dump, and it is dumping now also, not pumping. And I'm surprised, and I'm thinking what is happening at the back end, what the insiders and the big players are thinking, and what the actual game is going on. Ethereum, and as I told you right now, that Ethereum is kind of pumping a little bit along with Bitcoin, but every other altcoin is not pumping. Ethereum is still at this level, at 3350 level that I informed you guys in my previous videos, very important level. Bitcoin's price is just manipulated, pumping towards the upside in a straight line, but on the other side Ethereum is struggling to just even break a resistance, not even at its all-time high. This means that you already know how much and easy it is to manipulate the price of Bitcoin, you know. And not only this, but so there is a small work for you guys. Go and check MicroStrategy stock, MSTR. Go check their stock. You will see something weird. Their stock has not dumped a little bit as well. It is just pumping towards the upside in a straight line. Pump, a little bit consolidation, pump, little bit consolidation, pump. And you already know these type of charts are manipulated, or something suspicious goes on, because a organic chart always dumps, struggles, and then pumps towards the upside. So I mean, just open your eyes, guys, and it is very easy to see what is happening, and do some research as well, because these type of information and these type of news you won't find on the first page of Google. You have to scroll and scroll, and you will find these type of information at 7th or 8th page. Do follow some good Twitter accounts that talk about these analysis, and I have shared a couple of accounts with you on Twitter, so you can check them out. So yes guys, currently nothing much for the price of Bitcoin. I'm not entering any long or short on any crypto, including Bitcoin, and it is very risky, especially when the price is getting manipulated like this. It is very risky to predict the levels. I can predict using Fibonacci, but as I informed you guys in the beginning, there is no point in using Fibonacci right now. It's just a wait game. Let's wait. Also, if you want to buy any crypto or Bitcoin, you can, or sell any crypto as well, you can do that on Bybit. Very good exchange. And not Bybit, then you can create your account on any exchange you want for free. Just go to any search browser and create an account, but do not fall for any scams. So this is it for today's video, nothing much. This is just an explanatory video, eye-opening video for you guys. I hope you liked it, and I hope the Bitcoin ecosystem and the overall crypto system grows and their eyes gets open. But these manipulations and these so-called internet money, belief money, will ruin the whole ecosystem. Let's see what happens. So yes guys, this is it. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.